In this series, we will be going over sine and cosine functions, given angles and sines, and finding the unknown. After you see a few examples, you'll be able to figure them out yourself. If you haven't already, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching. Let's begin now on MathCat. 3, 2, 1. In this problem, we're given the angle A equals 51.65 degrees and the length of AT is 3.4. We're asked to find length AH. Let's write in what we know. The angle A is 51.65 degrees and AT is 3.4. Side AH we'll call X, and it's opposite the right angle. So X is our hypotenuse. So we have, for angle A, the side that is adjacent is known, 3.4, and we're trying to find the hypotenuse. So the cosine function is what gives us the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So let's write our equation, given what we know. The cosine function of 5.65 degrees equals the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. The adjacent side is 3.4, and the hypotenuse is X. Solving for X, we'll multiply through by X on both sides. X times the cosine of 51.65 degrees equals 3.4. And now to get X by itself, we'll divide through by the cosine of 51.65 degrees. X equals 3.4 divided by the cosine of 51.65 degrees. And we'll use our calculator. Type in 3.4 divided by cosine 51.65, and you get 5.4797, which we can round to 5.48, the two digits. And that's our answer. Length AH is 5.48. In this problem, angle U is 34.46 degrees and length DU is 10.43. We're to find the length UX. Well, let's write in what we know. Angle U is 34.46 degrees. Side DU is 10.43. And UX we'll call our variable X. That's what we want to solve for. Side DU is opposite the right angle, so that's the hypotenuse. And we also know the side that's adjacent to the angle that we know. That's the cosine function when we are dealing with the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So let's write our equation using the cosine function. The cosine of angle 34.46 equals the adjacent side, X, over the hypotenuse, 10.43. To get X by itself, let's multiply both sides by 10.43. 10.43 times cosine of 34.46 degrees equals X. And using a calculator, 10.43 times the cosine of 34.46 is 8.5997. Let's call that 8.6 equals X. So this side, XU, is 8.6. In this problem, we're given the angle R is 67.73 degrees and length TR is 1.9. We're looking for length of QR. So let's write in what we know. Angle R is 67.73 degrees and length TR is 1.9. QR we'll call X, and that's this side over here. Well, 1.9 is opposite the right angle, so that's the hypotenuse, and the side that we're looking for is adjacent to the angle that we know. So when we're dealing with adjacent and hypotenuse, it's the cosine function. So let's write our equation. Cosine of 67.73 degrees equals the adjacent side, X, over the hypotenuse, 1.9. To solve this for X, let's multiply through by 1.9. 1.9 times the cosine of 67.73 degrees equals X. And using our calculator, type in 1.9 times the cosine of 67.73, we get 0.7200, or 0.72 for X. So this side is 0.72. And that's how we can use the cosine function to find an unknown side given an angle and an adjacent side.